Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some spoilers for Jeffree Star's Halloween mystery box for 2020. Yes, you heard that correct. We finally have some spoilers for the $60 premium box, and you guys already know, as always, I will continue to have spoilers out for you guys to see what is coming in these boxes as they do come out. I have finally found one box deep down in the web of Facebook. So I hope you guys are excited. For me, I'm a little disappointed, but that just means giveaways for you guys. So with that being said, if you are enjoying these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. First off, I'm going to start by saying if you haven't already entered to win my Hocus Pocus giveaway, I will have it linked at the top of my description. Go enter if you haven't. There's 3 chances that you can win, and I'm really excited about because Hocus Pocus is the bomb.com, and you guys need these palettes, especially because Ulta is not going to restock at all. I know that because one of my palettes came broken and I could only get a refund. So anyways, let's get on with the spoilers, shall we? So deep down on a makeup Facebook page, I found some spoilers. So this is from Marcella Olina, and somebody had actually screenshotted her spoiler and posted it to another thread. So it took me a hot minute to verify this was not somebody trolling, because when you zoom in on the screenshot it looks kind of fuzzy, but I did find the original post. So who's excited for number 1? And I'm going to tell you right now, there is a palette coming in the box, and some of you guys might be really excited about it, some of you might not. And we will explain that further when we get there. So the very first spoiler is the Velour lip liner in the shade Posh Spice. Now I do actually own the liquid lipstick to Posh Spice, so if I happen to have this variation, then I will be really happy because now I'll have a lip liner to go along with my Posh Spice liquid lip. Now he did change the formula, so I'm going to assume these are the old formula. I mean, I guess it makes sense for him to, you know, go through and get rid of everything that's older and whatnot. I am actually surprised that there's no lip ammo in here since he made new ones, because I've been really thinking he'd put a lot of the lip ammunitions in there just to get them out. So we haven't seen one yet, but the next spoiler is a Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo, which I actually have, so let me get it so I can swatch it for you guys. I do have it in the mini size, so let's give it a swatch. I already have color on the back of my hand right now because I did a full Halloween makeup look, so yeah, that is the shade right there. That's Leo. It's an orangey shade, but it actually is perfect for fall. So I do love that it's a fall shade coming in the box, along with Posh Spice. Let me find that liquid lipstick and show you what it looks like. So this is what the liquid lipstick looks like, and the lip liner is going to look exactly like this liquid lipstick. So just know that that's what the liner is going to look like, and it's a really cool toned nude, and it's very, very beautiful. Here it is right here. That's Posh Spice. So just know that the liner is going to look just like that. Now, the next spoiler is a lip gloss in the shade Shockwave, which I also have this lip gloss. So one second. So here's the lip gloss in Shockwave. Let me give you a swatch. And it's a beautiful shade, and it smells divine. It smells so good. It has gold in it, and it would look so good over the liquid lipstick that you're going to be getting in there. So pretty. You can see the sparkles. Here, let me try and... You see the sparkles? Maybe a little bit. That red color underneath is kind of coming through. But it smells so, so stinking good. So there you go. A lip gloss spoiler. Exciting. Now, who's excited to see what palette is coming in the box before we get to the exclusive item? Now, the palette coming in the box is definitely an older palette. I can tell you that. We've seen it in the box before, as we've seen all these liquid lipstick shades and the lip gloss. That's where I got this from, was the lip gloss. It was a mystery box, And I know Posh Spice has been in the mystery box, but as a liquid lip, and I'm not sure if Leo's ever been in a box. I don't remember. But this has been in the box before. The eyeshadow palette is Beauty Killer. Now, I don't actually own this eyeshadow palette. I've never owned it, so I would love to have it, but I have been treating my makeup as kind of business, where if I'm not like in love with it, I'm not going to keep it. I've actually sold a lot of my Jeffree Star stuff on Poshmark and gotten rid of a lot of it. I only own his Blood Sugar palette, the Jawbreaker, and the Cremated palette, which I do think that the Cremated palette, I feel like it's going to come in one of these boxes. Probably the big one. I have a feeling we're going to see some Cremated and some Morty stuff in here. Anyway, so Beauty Killer is in here. I know I'm going to be giving that away. I know that if this was my variation, I'd be giving everything away with the lip liner. And who's excited for the exclusive item? Raise your hand. Okay, so the exclusive item is actually another beanie. That's why I have this beanie on. I was kind of already giving you guys a spoiler, but without saying anything, because I've never worn this in a video other than in like a unboxing video. But this is the first time I've actually worn it since that video, because, you know, we got it for Valentine's Day and, you know, it was warm. But now that it's fall, we have a beanie. So the exclusive item is a beanie, and I do have to say I like this beanie a lot more than this one. Now, is everyone gonna love the beanie? Probably not, but it's black, okay? So that, for starters, is on point, because this red, you know, it's great, but who wants to wear Valentine's themed out during the fall and winter? Probably not a lot of people. So the fact that this is a black beanie, and I assume this is probably going to be an orange logo. I can't really tell completely from what it looks like on my phone, but it does look either nude or orange. So that's exciting. And I don't think he's ever sold a beanie like this that was black, but I think the one that he did sell that was black had one of those little balls on top. So that's what makes this one different, especially because it doesn't have the little ball on top. But anyways, that is all of the spoilers for this box. I want to know all of your opinions down below. And you guys already know, like I've said before, we're going to have giveaways on this channel with our Jeffree Star stuff, because I have owned pretty much everything Jeffree Star at this point at some given time, and I don't have a lot of it anymore, but I've kept what I love, and the things that I have duplicates of or I know I'm not going to use because I've already gotten rid of it in the past will be going for giveaways. And be sure to subscribe to my good friend Noelle. I'll have her linked down below. She's also having all 3 mystery boxes as well as me, and she will be doing a huge giveaway over on her channel as well. So just kind of stay tuned and stay in the know with my channel and her channel for the big giveaway, which will be announced when I have all of my boxes and then when she has all of her boxes. So let me know down below. I have to say, looking through this Facebook feed, a lot of people are either upset or very excited, because some people are not into it, some people are. So I know there's going to be a lot of mixed stuff in the comment section. And also, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but if you're here now, don't leave any hate. Leave the drama with your mama. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!